Hello. I have a really short demonstration. We have a new sample contract prototype. It's called written in C language. It's called loan, and actually it consists of two contracts, the bank and the client part. So I can briefly show you the source code. So we have a bank contract, and basically it keeps some per client information, in this case just available credit in the persistent data. So we have just one data variable in the contract, and it has several, actually three methods, and I won't go into details. You can look for yourself in the Ton samples repository for the source code and just a bit of client code. It's actually very simple, and it just calls the bank, requests to get a credit and in this method, and then just waits for a callback from the bank side. And so I wanted to show you how to build both contracts. Something happens, and we can then run a test case scenario. It's quite simple. We have actually three key lines in this code. The first is sending message from the bank owner to the bank contract. This message sets the available credit for the client. Then we send the second message to the client, and client requests inside the code, requests the available credit from the bank and waits a callback, as I've said before. And in this line, we actually are checking for the value to be exactly the same as was set in the contract. So can run the script, and if I'm lucky enough, it will pass on the first run. Not every time, fortunately, because of some timeouts issues. So you can see some messages passing, and yeah, okay, so the test is passed, and well, I guess that's all I wanted to say.